Hi students, good morning everyone and how are you? I am Ranjit Pradhan, your mathematics teacher and your good friend. আজকে আমরা ট্রিগোনোমেট্রির কিছু ইন্টারেস্টিং জিনিস, কিছু বেসিক জিনিস নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। ঠিক আছে, তোমাদের যদি ভালো লাগে আমার ভিডিও তোমরা অবশ্যই লাইক শেয়ার সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, তাহলে আমি আরও নতুন নতুন ভিডিও বানানোর ইন্টারেস্ট পাবো। তো তাহলে চলো শুরু করা যাক আজকে ট্রিগোনোমেট্রি। তো ট্রিগোনোমেট্রি শুরু করার আগে কয়েকটা কথা বলি। ম্যাথমেটিক্স কিন্তু সত্যিই খুব ভালো একটা সাবজেক্ট, ওকে, তোমরা সবাই জানো। তা সত্ত্বেও আমি বলি, অযথা ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই ম্যাথমেটিক্সকে। অনেকে ভয় পেয়ে যায়, সুতরাং সেটা ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই। ঠিক আছে, জাস্ট তোমরা আমাকে ফলো করো, আমি যেভাবে পড়াচ্ছি সেইভাবে একটু তোমার প্রিপারেশান নাও, তাহলে আশা করি তোমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সটাকে ভালো লাগবে এবং ভয়টাও কেটে যাবে। সুতরাং ইন কেস অফ এ রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, ওকে, ইন কেস অফ এ রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC, okay, suppose this angle is theta, okay, and this is called base. This is called AB is called perpendicular. AB is called perpendicular, okay, and AC is called hypotenuse. AC is called hypotenuse, okay. So sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse means AB by AC, okay. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse means BC by AC, okay. And tan theta means perpendicular by base means AB by BC, okay. Cot theta equal to base by perpendicular means BC by AB, okay. And sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base means sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base means AC by BC, okay. Also we can say sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, okay. Cos theta equal to we can say 1 by sec theta, okay. Sin theta equal to we can say 1 by cosec theta, okay. Tan theta equal to we can say 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equal to we can say 1 by tan theta, okay. So next cosec theta means hypotenuse by perpendicular means AC by AB, okay, AC by AB. So this equal to also we can write 1 by sin theta, okay. So these are some basic relations, okay, between sin theta, cosec theta, okay. Now I want to say I want to show you how we can find out the value of sin 0 degree, the value of sin 90 degree, the value of cosec 0 degree, the value of cosec 90 degree, okay. Suppose tan 0 degree, tan 90 degree, like this. So suppose if I consider a acute angle triangle, okay, suppose this, suppose there is a point P. If I draw a perpendicular, suppose this is PM, suppose this is theta, suppose this is O, okay. So from this triangle, from this right angle triangle, we can say sin theta, okay. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse means PM by OP, okay. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse means OM by OP, okay, and tan theta equal to perpendicular by base when PM by OM, okay. So just see here, if theta equal to 0, degree, then this point P means this OP will coincides with OM. So P and M, the point P and capital M, they will coincide, and in that case, so if theta equal to 0 degree, okay, then what will happen? Then OP equal to OM, okay, and PM, this will be 0, PM will be 0, okay. So in that case, so what will be the value of sine 0 degree? So the value of sine 0 degree means PM means 0, so 0 by OP means 0, okay. Next, what will be the value of cos 0 degree? Value of cos 0 degree means OM equal to OP, so OP by OP, this means 1, okay. And what will be the value of tan 0 degree? Okay, so tan 0 degree, value of tan 0 degree means PM by OM, okay. PM by OM, the value of PM is 0, so 0 by OM, this will be 0, okay. And also just I have said you cosec 0 degree, cosec theta equal to, just I have said you cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, okay. So cosec, what will be cosec 0 degree? Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, so cosec 0 degree equal to 1 by sin 0 degree, okay, 1 by sin 0 degree. So the value of sin 0 degree is 0, so 1 by 0, so this will be undefined value, okay. And next, sec 0 degree, we know sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, okay. So the value of sec 0 degree, what will be the value of sec 0 degree? Sec 0 degree equal to 1 by cos 0 degree, sec 0 degree, this will be 1 by cos 0 degree, okay. And the value of cos 0 degree is 1, so 1 by 1 equal to 1, okay. Next, cot 0 degree and cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta means 1 by tan theta, okay. So cot 0 degree, this equal to 1 by tan 0 degree, okay. This will be 1 by tan 0 degree. So cot 0 degree equal to 1 by tan 0 degree, okay. So the value of tan 0 degree equal to, tan 0 equal to 0, so that is why 1 by 0 means this will be undefined, okay, this will be undefined. So value of cot 0 degree, this will give undefined value, okay. So these are some values of sin 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, cosec 0 degree, sec 0 degree and cot 0 degree. These are some values of. Now if I consider, now I want to find out the value of 90 degree, okay, the value of 90 degree. So just see what will happen when the theta equal to 90 degree. Just see in the picture, if the theta is 90 degree, then what will happen? Okay, then in that case PM will be OP, and the value of OM, this will be 0, okay. this will be 0. So if theta equal to 90 degree, in that case OM this will be 0 and PM equal to OP and PM equal to OP. Okay, so in that case sine 90 degree. Okay, in that case what will be sine 90 degree? Sine 90 degree equal to PM by OP. Okay, so actually PM equal to OP, so OP by OP, so this equal to 1. Okay, and what will be cos 90 degree? What will be cos 90 degree? Okay, cos 90 degree means OM equal to 0. Okay, OM equal to 0, so 0 by OP, this means 0. Okay, and what will be tan 90 degree? What will be tan 90 degree? Tan 90 degree means PM by OM. PM by OM means PM by 0. Okay, PM by 0, so this equal to undefined value. Okay, next what will be cosec 90 degree? What will be cosec 90 degree? What will be cosec 90 degree? Cosec 90 degree equal to 1 by sin 90 degree, and the value of sin 90 degree is 1 by sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1, so this will be 1. Okay, and what will be sec 90 degree? What will be the value of sec 90 degree? Sec 90 degree means 1 by cos 90 degree. Okay, 1 by cos 90 degree, so this equal to value of cos 90 degree is 0, so 1 by 0, this means this will give undefined value. And what will be cot 90 degree? Cot 90 degree, this will give cot 90 degree means 1 by tan 90 degree. Okay, so 1 by tan 90 degree, tan 90 degree is actually undefined, so 1 by undefined means this will give 0 value. Okay, so in this way we can find out the value of sin 90, cos 90, tan 90, cot 90, sec 90 and cosec 90. Okay, খুবই ইজি। যদি তোমরা এই ছোট ছোট জিনিসগুলোকে তোমরা একটু যদি ছোট ছোট জিনিসগুলোকে একটু গুরুত্ব দিয়ে দেখো, তাহলে এই জিনিসগুলো খুবই সহজ, খুবই ভালো লাগবে। ওকে ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। অ্যান্ড if you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe, then I will get more energy to prepare more videos for you. Okay, thank you, tata.